I'm just working my way up and down this river and around the lake, just looking for sloughs and marshy spots. Oh, my legs. Oh, well, I spent about 3 hours paddling around looking for ducks. I didn't shoot any, and oh, I am tired and hungry. I think I am ready for breakfast. A little something to keep me warm while I cook. Got a little butter and honey in this jar. We're gonna let that warm up. Pour some honey butter on that. Some fresh pan-fried bread with honey butter and pork jowl bacon. Few things in the world taste better than fresh homemade bread smothered in melted butter and honey. Well, I'll tell you what, the rain has eased up a little bit. I want to take advantage of that. I want to go get some firewood and bring it into the shelter so it can dry off a little bit. And maybe, just maybe, I can build a fire tonight. If nothing else, cutting firewood will keep me warm.